According to a study, if you are always the one to text a person first, there is a 90% chance that this person is not interested in you. 90% of people will text things that they could never say in person. Too much texting to a particular person can disconnect that person. Receiving a text message from someone you love lights up the same area of the brain stimulated by addictive drugs such as cocaine. Texting while driving lowers your IQ 25% more than bashing your head against a hot surface 12 times does. Your texting speed usually depends on the importance of the individual you are texting. Texting on social media while driving slows your reaction time by 38%, which is more than drinking or smoking pot. When you receive a message from someone very close to you, you can hear their voice in your head when you read their text. People have become emotionally fragile to the point where they cannot handle things like awkward silences or disapproving tones of voice. That's why they prefer texting. People who lie will texting take longer time to respond. When you are both arguing in text and she argues back but suddenly she types okay, it means nothing is okay at all. When someone texts you, it is usually because they are unable to speak on the phone. So, if someone texts you, do not call them as a response. If someone types in their text, it means that they are not convinced with your explanation, your suggestion, thought, or your opinion. In texting with girl, every girl knows exactly what a guy tried to say, but she acts like don't know anything. Avoid sarcasm unless the person knows you really well. Sarcasm is best avoiding via text. You can't read the tone nearly as well, and you could end up getting into arguments or hurting someone's feelings. Do not hashtag in your text. It's something you can only do ironically, and even if do that, you have to make it really obvious that it's ironic, or else you will risk looking like an idiot. If you wouldn't talk to them about this issue in real life, don't text it to them. Don't text when you are with someone else. How utterly rude is it when you are with a friend who is endlessly texting someone else? Effect of texting. Conflicts are more hostile via text. The human quality to communication is lost over text. Texting is too impersonal. Texting can harm relationships because of one partner's expectation of the response rate. When texting is better than calling, when you lack a clear train of thought, when you travel, when you are in danger. When discussing sensitive information, when you are super busy, when organizing a group, when you want your business to engage, when you are shy. Don't text a novel. If it's taking you more than 30 seconds to text it, you probably just want to take care of it over the phone. Don't make it more confusing than it has to be.